Alright, so I'm just doing a little sound clip of what these STT Pros sound like. So I'm going to try to keep it on low boost and essentially no throttle, so you can hear the road noise. Now mind you, I'm about to change these out, so they may sound a lot worse. Hopefully y'all can hear that. But right now I'm actually on my way for my new tires. Toyo AT3s. So can't wait to see how quiet those are. I guess we'll see. Alright guys, so we got them new Toyos on. I mean, I'm driving about 60, 65 right now. No balance issues. It's very quiet compared to them Cooper STTs. Very quiet. This is just the first run. It's a little rainy outside, but even with the sound, I mean, right now I'm boosting, so sorry, but right here it's gonna level out. I'll boost a little bit and then I'll let it go. Oh, I just broke the tires. No noise. The tires are so quiet. No noise. And now we'll go ahead and do an open window. I'll boost it a little bit. And do an open window. So I can drive comfortably with my window open now. Not worry about that excess sound. I have to deal with it. I mean, just, you know, the road manners so far, and I mean, it's handling well in the rain so far. I've took it up to about 75. The road noise is better than the Cooper's at like 30.